Hey guys, how's it going? Andy Patlan out here. We are at our latest remodel project. We have totally finished with this. It's 100% done. A 3-bedroom, 2-bath over at the west side of San Antonio off General McMullough Commerce area, if you know the San Antonio area. Heart of west side San Antonio. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, about 1150 square feet, 1974 year built. As you can see, we did a pretty light remodel. A little paint on the outside, full exterior paint on the outside, I should say. Full interior paint, some flooring. But we didn't knock down any walls or add on any additional rooms or anything. But the place looks great. It's on market. Again, beautifully done. Nice exterior paint. A little bit of repairs on the doors. And check out the inside, guys. We've got some full vinyl planking on the inside. We've got some new texture, new paint on the walls. Really livens up the place. We went with a lighter color. Okay, it was a light remodel, but it's something that we think the customer's gonna like, the buyer's gonna like, and we put it right back on market. 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Let's have a little office. This is the kitchen. Pretty simple kitchen. Got some new appliances. Okay, new refrigerator, new stove. So the buyer's gonna have something to move into and be move-in ready. Okay. And then we did resurface the bathtubs, and we put some new paneling in the back end of the bathtub, so you can see the bathtubs. We redid those. Really looks gorgeous. So we went planking in all the common areas, vinyl planking in the common areas, and we went carpet in the bedrooms. This is the before and after. We've got new trim, new baseboards, new doors. Guys, it's a simple remodel, but we're bringing these houses to you, putting them on market. But these are the type of properties that we are gonna bring to you, that are gonna give you that return on investment. You invest with us, we give you some good return, and everybody's happy and we move on to the next project. My name is Andy Patlan. I'm a 15-year real estate broker. I've been doing flips for the last 5 years. It's really what I'm doing now. I want to help you get into this business. If you're looking to invest for the long term, buy a house, remodel it, and rent it, I'm your guy. If you want to buy a house, remodel it, and flip it, I'm your guy. Call me, 512-784-0048. Hablamos español.